Longleat Safari Park is known for its lions and drive-through safaris, but after dark, the radio signals don't always come from the vehicles. In 2017, a ranger doing final checks before closing picked up static on his walkie-talkie. Short bursts, like a voice trying to break through. He thought it was another team finishing the route, then he realized the frequency was wrong. It was one that hadn't been used since the 1980s. He switched channels, and a faint voice came through. It was another ranger calling for help, using a call sign that had been retired decades earlier. The signal faded, then returned, the voice growing weaker. The next morning, the tech team traced the signal to a point inside the lion enclosure. Buried beneath the soil, they found the rusted shell of an old radio, still switched on. Later that week, a maintenance worker found fresh boot prints circling the same spot. Size and tread identical to the uniform issue from the 1980s, but the soil hadn't been disturbed since the dig. When they played back the static, they caught a few final seconds of the transmission. Footsteps crunching on gravel, a heavy breath, and the sound of growling in the distance. Now, every few months, the same frequency activates again on its own, and rangers hear the same words crackle through the static. They're still out here. Comment Longleat Safari Park if you made it to the end.